Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Now recently I uploaded a Boohoo try on haul video which loads of you absolutely loved, and day by day I'm getting more and more wonderful, amazing comments, and I guess this is just my second installment to my try on haul videos. So if you watched my Boohoo video, you'll know that I popped in a little disclaimer. Now some of you thought it was a bit unnecessary and a bit of a shame that I had to even put that in there, but unfortunately we all know the internet can be a cruel place, and so I'm going to pop it in again, which is that if you are offended by cellulite, lumps and bumps, stretch marks, even paleness or chubbiness or anything, offended basically by the female body, then I suggest that you leave, and you can leave right now. So the clothes I'm going to be showing you in this video aren't all from the same place. I have a few things from New Look, a few things from Wear All, which is like an online site, and I have things from New Look and maybe some others because I keep buying stuff for my holiday, and I guess I just want to show you it all, and it's going to be a bit of a random one. Like last time it was more just holiday clothes, now it's going to be little bits of everything. So without further ado, I will shut up and I hope you enjoy. my second try on haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. All of the things that you saw I have actually kept, and so I haven't returned anything, obviously. All of the details were on the screen, so if you missed anything, just go back. But if there's anything else that I needed to let you know, like websites and stuff, they'll be down below in the description box, so just make sure you check that. Apart from that, again, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more of these types of videos, then just let me know. But yeah, don't forget links to my Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter and Snapchat are down below, so if you want to come over and follow me, that would be awesome. Apart from that, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!